It's a giant. Yes! How's it going today, everyone? Creek Crawler here. We're back up north, up on East Harbor for the Ohio Kayak Fishing Trail. And this is the East and West Harbors event, I believe stop number 3 of the season. It's gonna be an awesome day here on East Harbor, and I can't wait to show you guys the footage. But it was pretty interesting. I chose to go to a completely different area than I did last year. Fishing these rock jetties and stuff like that. I know it's kind of post-spawn, so in my opinion, I thought the fish might have pulled out just a little bit on these rocks, a little bit back there. But yeah, come along with me. Let's see if we can catch fish today, guys. Let's go. Hold on, did I just get bit on the fall? Nice. There we go, y'all. Got our first keeper finally. Took a minute. Put him on the board and measure him up. All right, we got a nice chunker, 14.5 incher. Heck yeah, there you go, buddy. There we go. He kind of hit it on the fall there. All right, we got a little 13 incher, second fish of the day. There you go, buddy. Hey, bub. Hey, bub. You care if I fish over here? This is a little bit sporty over here. There we go. Oh God, what is this? A catfish? Oh God, we got a channel kitty. No, come here. Ah! Channel kitty. Come here, dude. Ah! Come here. Oh, that's a big one. I ain't in a catfish tournament, though. Come here, dude. Come here. Oh. Oh. Big old monster. He just freaking ate my underspin. Are you kidding me? Y'all, look at this. Every time I come up here, I'm gonna be catching crazy stuff. It's probably a fish Ohio, I just don't want to measure it. Oh. There we go. Big old channel cat. Ah! Get out of here. Thought I had a 5-pounder for like 2 seconds. There we go. Oh, come here, buddy. Nice. Heck yeah, we got our third one. Let's keep it rolling. All right, y'all, got a 15-incher right here off this rock jetty area. Here you go, buddy. Nice. Oh shoot, there we go. Oh, my little finesse jig just popped out. Holy smokes. Alrighty, y'all, picked up another one right here on this jetty, a 15.5-incher. Here you go, buddy. Come here, dude. That's a good one, y'all. Nice. Put him on the board and measure him up. Get right there in a little Nikko Tadpole. Finessing off this rock jetty. That's a good one. Upgrade for sure. Alrighty, y'all. So far, the biggest one, 16.25-incher. Nice. Here you go, buddy. That's a good one. Nice. Nice. Right off of this jetty to my left. I'm inbounds. You can't get past the jetty rocks, so I'm inside just fishing off to the left. Nikko Tadpole with a little finesse jig right in the button of the nose. Alrighty, y'all, another nice one right here, 16.75-incher. Nice 4-inch upgrade. Here you go, buddy. I gotta keep checking my line because these rocks are tearing it up after like every catch. I don't know if I'm like in the rocks hard or not, but I've had to cut and retie like every other fish. That's a good one. Nice. Heck yeah, that should call something, I think. I think my smallest is a 14. All right, y'all, we got another 16.25-incher. Some cookie cutter 15 to 16.5 inches out here. There you go, buddy. Nice. Oh my God. Oh, come on, dude. Yeah, we gotta go. This is getting way too sporty for me. giant. Got a big one. Right off your little pipe right here. That's a big one. Heck yeah. Alrighty, y'all. He's not a freaking giant, but he is a toad. 17 1/4 incher. Look at this thing. Bill. Look at that. Still got a belly on him. That's 3 pounds all day, man. That's awesome. There you go, buddy. Right there on a little tadpole. Finesse jig with the tadpole. All right, y'all. We got a couple hours left in this derb. My smallest fish, I have a couple 15 1/2 inchers. I'm gonna go back out here to the jetties. I really couldn't find any upgrades back in the harbor behind me. I did lose a couple. I did lose a couple upgrades, which is a kind of a bummer. But we're gonna go out here and do what we was doing earlier. See if the bite picked up a little bit more. Maybe upgrade a couple more fish before the day's over. Guys, oh my god, dude. Oh, there we go. We got a freaking upgrade, and this boat came in whipping hard, almost hit me. We gotta go somewhere else to measure them. And that might be an upgrade. We'll put it on the board. Everybody's coming in here freaking waking, man. This is making me super angry. Alrighty, y'all. Picked up a little 1/2 inch upgrade. Nice 16 incher on the drop shot. These boats are coming in here way too fast and just completely ignoring me. It's a no wake zone inside these break walls. That's going to end it here. East-West Harbors. Had an awesome time. There you go, buddy. Alrighty, everyone, we're going to call it here on East Harbor. I fished East Harbor, but you could fish East-West, and they actually extended the boundary out to the end of those jetties, which that's where I fished today and had an absolute blast. We ended up with 82 1/2 inches for our best 5, and I'm satisfied with that. I did lose a couple upgrades, probably upgrade fish, which probably would have left me at 84, 85, but we got to 82 1/2, earned it. It was a grinder day. This tournament was over 9 hours, I believe, so I'm super tired, exhausted, fighting the current. If you do come here and do what I did in this video, be careful. If you're not an experienced kayaker, you can get into some serious trouble out there in this channel if you're not paying attention to almost every boater that comes through. And if you could see in my video, you could see folks coming in and just straight up flying, and it's a no wake zone. So it made up for an interesting day. I was hooking fish, trying to keep my kayak in position without flipping, but had an awesome time here on East Harbor for the Ohio Kayak Fishing Trail stop number 3. We're gonna go to the length end and see the final results.
Okay. All right. Thanks, man.
$405 fish. It was a 20 1/2 Brent Yamada. All right. Let's say your last name right. Yamada. All right. Third place, getting a trophy, $462, 86 3/4 inches, Adam Lawn. Second place, $770 with 87.5 inches, Ethan Graham.
Nice, dude.
Congratulations. Everyone kind of knows what's going on by now. But anyway, I'm going to say it anyway. $1,308, 91 3/4 inches, Aaron Stallbaum. Congratulations. It's a huge round of applause again for the winner.
Alrighty, everyone, that's going to end it at East West Harbors for the Ohio Kayak Fishing Trail. I had a good time. I ended up in 18th place, but we had 81 anglers, so 18th out of 81, I'll take it. I don't know what it is with 18th place this year, but I think I've got 2 18ths and a 19th place right now for the 3 events for OKF. Hey, we're staying consistent. That's all that matters, right? No, I had a great time. Had a great time on the lake. Did something I normally don't even do. It's just throw like a little finesse jig. I don't really mess around with that stuff, but I kind of found a deal on those rock jetties, as you've seen in the video. Just kind of slowly dragging that light jig, getting tossed around. I felt like I was in a washing machine all day today. Boaters just coming in the no wake zone, basically on plane, and I almost tipped a few times today. It was pretty crazy. It was pretty sporty out there, but we made it. We're alive, we're safe. Congratulations to the winners. I'll post the results right here. Aaron Stallbaum with the dub. I think last year he got 2nd place. This year he got 1st place. He's really, really good up at East West Harbors events. But looking forward to the rest of the events this year for the OKF trail. And I'm also going to be fishing some OCOS, Ohio Kayak Open Series events as well this year to round off the tournament stuff. But I'm ready to get back home. I want to go do some creek wades in the creek for some smallmouth. It's going to be super hot this coming week, so nothing better than putting on some gym shorts, some old shoes, and go wading in the creek catching smallmouth. So if you'd like to grab some Waterland, use code CALLER15. I'll leave all my links down below. And y'all, I'm getting close to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I never thought it would happen, but we made it. It's after about 6 years now of making content. Thanks to you all, thanks to everyone who shares, likes, and comments on my videos, getting the analytics working in my favor. I might be able to hit the 10,000 mark this year, which would be freaking awesome. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. If you did, hit the like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys out in the water. Let's go!